old highway. Getting ready to go into Multnomah Falls.
Multnomah Falls?
Multnomah.
Multnomah.
With a T.
With a T.
Multnomah.
Look at, we're driving through the trees. So much green! What? This is what trees look like.
There's so many places to pee. Just get off here.
Yeah, Burrito wants to pee on all of this. Burrito's like, I own this.
And I want to pee on that tree, and that tree, and that tree.
Do you see the green? Do you see the green, unknown audience? Do you hear the dog? And I think that's good. A minute of this is great. I'll save the space on my phone for awesome. Oh, look at the mountains. Okay.